how to beat Regigigas in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipinvestnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can beat Regigigas raid in Pokemon Go. Now, Regigigas is a normal type legendary Pokemon originally discovered in the Sinnoh region. Now, it's said that Regigigas created other Pokemon from other different materials. Now you can get them through raid, but how you can beat one, right? Now, as a normal type Pokemon, Regigigas has only one significant vulnerability, that is fighting type attacks. When selecting Pokemon for your Regigigas raid battle lineup, it helps to choose Pokemon that have both a fighting type fast attack and charged attack if you want to deal as much damage as possible. Fighting type Pokemon using fighting type attacks will benefit from a same type attack bonus, which will allow those attacks to deal an additional 20% damage. If you have multiple Pokemons that know fighting type attacks, then choose the Pokemon with the highest CP and best overall stats. Remember that speed of victory affects how many Premier Balls you'll receive at the conclusion of a successful raid battle, so bring your strongest fighting types and defeat Regigigas as quickly as you can. Now, the suggested fighting type is a Machamp, that is Shadow Machamp. In fighting, Blaziken, Shadow Blaziken, Breloom, Hariyama, Lucario, Conkeldurr, Cobalion, and Terrakion, and Virizion, Keldeo, and Buzzwole. The other one is Alakazam. So these are the Pokemons that you can use in the Regigigas raid, and it'll be easier to fight it off and finish it off quickly. So basically you want to use a fighting type Pokemon. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.